All right, you guys, so we are starting off with our Hawaiian sweet rolls. I cut them in half, and now we are placing our honey ham right on top of these. This is gonna be such a great game day, little lunch, appetizer, whatever you wanna eat it for. Okay, and I am just spreading out this ham so that each little Hawaiian roll has a good amount of ham. We used one package per package. So ham and Hawaiian sweet rolls. So if you want to cut this in half, just get one of each. Now for the cheese, of course, we're going to do some Swiss. I have this delicious creamy baby Swiss. It's so good and so easy. And we are going to go ahead and get that Swiss right on top of our ham. This is going to be delicious, you guys. But like the meat, you can use whatever cheese you like, maybe like a cheddar or a Colby Jack, a pepper jack, but I think that the Swiss just complements the ham so well, and this is gonna be so delicious. I am already ready to eat it. You could eat it as a cold cut, but we're gonna make this extra special for you guys. We're not just making sandwiches here. Okay, so we have our Swiss cheese on there. Ooh, this is gonna be incredible. Now we're gonna go ahead and put our tops back on that we cut ourselves. Delicious, but like I said, we're making an upgrade on this. So we are gonna go ahead and grab our melted butter. This is 1 stick of melted butter, that's all you need. We're gonna grab some Worcestershire sauce or Worcestershire sauce, whatever you call it. And we're gonna open this and we're gonna do about a tablespoon of the Worcestershire sauce. Beautiful. Next thing we're gonna add to this butter is some Dijon mustard, and we're gonna go heavy-handed in the mustard. Use your favorite. That's about 3 tablespoons of the mustard. We have here some chopped onions that we're going to sprinkle in there. Oh, I think we just need to open this up because we want a good amount.
You just dump it.
Beautiful. This is looking amazing. Obviously, if you don't like onions, you could skip that. We're gonna add a little bit of salt. Beautiful. Of course, a little bit of pepper. This is what's really gonna make this lunch so easy and so delicious. Last thing we're gonna add in here is some poppy seeds. Oh my goodness, that's gonna add a nice crunch. Okay, you can add as little or as much as you want. Oh my God, did you see how those just flew everywhere, you guys? I was not prepared.
And those are so good for you too.
We'll just
there you go.
Sweep it right in there. My counters are clean. Okay. Now, in order to get this really nicely blended, I have my immersion blender, and we're just gonna go ahead and put this in and have at it. This is gonna help that mustard get really blended in with that butter and the Worcestershire sauce.
Really good. That's cool.
Okay. That looks perfect. And I just got this from Target, you guys. It's the KitchenAid brand. Okay, now that we have that nicely, beautifully blended, we're gonna grab our little sandwiches back and we're gonna grab a little, brush, and we're gonna brush this mixture right on top of those. Oh my goodness, these are gonna be so delicious, you guys. That mustard, that butter, the poppy seeds. These are gonna get nice and golden brown on top, and that Swiss cheese is gonna melt, warm up that ham, and it's so quick, so easy. You could do this during a Super Bowl commercial. That's how easy it is. Okay, we're almost done. Let's just make sure these all get beautifully coated in this delicious little butter mustard sauce that we created. Oh my goodness. Okay, we definitely made way too much sauce, so you guys, when you make this recipe, cut it in like 1/4, okay? Beautiful.
I would have just poured it all on top.
You could do that, but some people don't like that much mustard. All right, so my oven is set to 350, and these are gonna be in there for 20 minutes. Oh my, these smell incredible. Okay, let's go ahead and transfer them onto our serving platter. I did let them cool a little bit so that I could just pick them up just like this. Oh my goodness. All right, let's cut into these. Okay, woo, these are so perfect. Just pull them apart, and we have our little sandwiches for game day. How cute are these? Okay, it's time to give one a try. Oh my God, look at all that ham in there and the Swiss. Oh my God, and the buns are nice and toasty, but still like soft. Oh, exactly what you want.
Is it good?
So good.